This quick video is about how to save any video for save later on Instagram in iPhone. Okay, let's see that. First open Instagram app. For example, if you want to save this video for save later means on the bottom of the video you can see this option. Just click that. That's it. Now it's saved to collections. And to watch this video, just click here, then tap these three dots, and here you can see the option saved. Just click that. Yeah. Here you can see all your saved videos. Likewise, you can save any video for save later on Instagram. And if you want to know more tips and tricks about Instagram means, watch this playlist. I hope this video helps. If it really helps means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.